Prepare a polymer render mix as you normally would. Get it to the right consistency and you're ready to go. Here we'll concentrate on the base render coat only. Working on the vertical joints first, from the bottom up, apply a coat of render over the joint. Position the mesh, and then using a trowel, work the mesh firmly into the render. Then do the same on the horizontal joint. Render first, then mesh. You can see the benefits of measuring the mesh before you start rendering. You know everything fits. Then repeat this process as you work around the building. Now we'll show you just how easy it is to render a section of wall and finish off the corners. A small point here, those marks you see on the panel are pencil lines to aid with fixing locations. They're not joints. Continue to work the render from bottom to top, working into the corner. Make sure that the base coat sits flush with the leading edge of the bead, ready to accept the final coat. That way you'll make sure the bead won't show through the final coat. Smooth it off as you go, just as you normally would. Let's just recap on the steps in fixing the mesh and render to a section of wall. Firstly, mark and cut the bead. Then measure and cut the mesh. Temporarily fix the mesh to the wall. Apply the adhesive to the mesh. Fix the bead to the glue and the mesh. And finally, apply the render.